ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Sorkar jilla kanam la asatya ban penurlong ya ki jingdawa jong ka seng kinong hikai school Adhoc ka Meghalaya Upper Primary School Teachers Association ban Kyntiew Kyrdan deficit ya ki school Adhoc ki badan hapo ka jilla Meghalaya baro ka wei na ka daw ka jing hiran ka pelatingka. Haga jing ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor u menteri ka tanat puli puthi ka Sorkar jilla uba lakmen rembui ulaong. Bahkan bha ya ke Sorkar banle halor ki jingdawa balabo da kaseng nong hikai school Adhoc nakadaw ba ke Sorkar kadon hapdeng ka jinghiran ha ka Pisa ka tingka.
Possible to do anything. In fact, they have met me many times. I have explained the position of the government. But having said that, the policy of the government is the door is always open. That whatever decision we take for the benefit of the state, overall benefit of the state, and also whatever the benefit of the stakeholder. But having said that, it is not a very easy decision which you could take that all of a sudden you could deficitize the school or provincialize the school, regularize the teacher. Okay, it is not very easy. It's not a very easy decision, and as of now, as of today, I see it is very difficult for the government to do anything on that issue. See, the main is a fund constraint. As you know that it is not a question of a few schools. There are about 1,225 ad hoc primary school, there are ad hoc secondary school, there are ad hoc higher secondary school, and the disparity of salary is very high. It will come to 2 times, 3 times the salary of the government. So if the government spend about 150 crore now, so multiply by 3, 250 crore only for that other thing. So I'm not thinking that it is that amount, but I'm talking about the complex of the issue where it is not a very easy decision. Schools have been established by the government. Schools have been established by the minority group, be it Christian group, be in other minority group. So it is not very easy for the government to do anything.